Welcome to Cooked, your AI-powered cooking assistant that turns random ingredients into delicious meals. Just tell us what's in your fridge, any dietary preferences, and we'll create a perfect recipe for you. No more food waste, no more complicated cooking, just simple, delicious meals with what you have. First step on how to use Cooked. There is the ingredients list that you can put anything you have on hand, for example beef, garlic, pasta, butter, mushrooms, cheese, lemon, egg, eggplant, onion. On to the next step is dietary preferences. You can pick, for example, are vegan, gluten-free, low-carb, and high-protein. Let's say I pick low-carb. And to our final step on how to use Cooked is cuisine style. In this, you can choose cuisine style you prefer, like Italian, Asian, Mexican, and many more. Once you pick your preferred style, then click the button in the bottom middle to generate the recipe. As you can see, when the recipe is generated, it gives the preparation time, cooking time, and how many servings. Then you can see exact amount of what ingredients you need to cook and the step-by-step instructions. And below the step-by-step instruction, you can see that it has a pro tips for beginners, common mistakes to avoid, and lastly the optional garnish. Next is what features Cooked have. First, it has Cooking Helper, your personal cooking assistant, to help you with any question about the recipe, cooking techniques, or ingredients substitutions. Let's say I ask a cooking techniques on how to slice an onion without tearing. The second feature is leftover ideas. It gives new recipes to the leftover food or ingredients. The last feature is recipe visualization. It gives you an AI visual of the food you cooked. I'm cooked.